Hey guys, TechMentor with the video for you guys. In today's video, we're going to show you how to insert and install a SIM card on your iPhone 5 or the iPhone 5S. So let's get started. So in order to insert a SIM card into your iPhone 5, first thing is we need to locate the SIM card tray, which is going to be on the right hand side against the bezel. Right in the middle, you'll see there's a hole right there. That's where the SIM tray is located. Now what you'll do is your SIM ejector tool, which looks like this. If you don't have this, don't worry, you can take something like a paper clip, fold it like that, or an old earring, or anything basically that can fit in that hole, and you can give it a gentle push. So what you'll do is take that tool, whatever you have, like I have here, we're going to put in that hole and then give it a gentle push. And when you give it a push, you'll hear a little noise or click, and then the SIM, as you can see here, tray pops out, and then we can take our finger and then pull it out just like that. Now once we have pulled it out, you'll see here the size that it requires. The SIM size is going to be a nano size, which is the smallest SIM size card there is. So if you got a SIM card from your carrier or the company, you're going to want to locate here this cut corner and then match the cut corner with your SIM card as well, and then sit it on just like that so it sits flat, right? There shouldn't be any gap or anything like that. Just like that, it shouldn't have a bump or anything. That means we have lined up the corner, and then we're going to take that SIM tray, just insert it back the same exact way like that, where you match up the hole, press it in, and it should have a click and should sit flush against the bezel. And now we have inserted or installed a SIM card on our iPhone 5, and after that hopefully you get your phone service. Now if you don't get your phone service, considering doing a couple things. Your first thing is turning off your iPhone and then turning it back on. It'll reinitialize the SIM card. Next thing you want to do if you're still not getting service is contact your carrier to make sure that they have activated the SIM card that you have, or they might sometimes require the phone's IMEI number, which you can get from the about page on the phone by going to the setting. And another thing you can also do is in a couple minutes, if it's still not working, take the SIM card tray again out with the tool and then reinsert it back in, just to make sure that the first time around it didn't have any issues. And after that, you should get your phone service and we should be good to go. I hope this video was helpful, and if this video is helpful, please consider hitting that like and subscribe button for more tips and tricks for your iPhone and other iOS devices. See you guys next time.